Marga, pwede mong ibigay mo sa akin at sales report mo.
Sige po, bigay ko na lang po sa office.
I need them in 5 minutes. Marami pa.
Sige po. Excuse me po, ma'am. Ito na po yung hinihingi niyo pong sales report.
Ito na po yung sales report, ma'am. Ano to? Bakit 40% lang ang nakuha nilang sales? Hindi to dapat ganito. Marga, pakisabihin lahat sila na we will be having a meeting at exactly 10 a.m.
Okay po, ma'am. Noted po.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Nag-breakfast na ba kayo?
Yes, ma'am.
By the way, nakita niyo ba yung email ko? May meeting tayo mamaya at exactly 10 a.m. sa conference room.
Okay po, ma'am. Noted.
Bye!
So our meeting for today is all about our sales for this month. So supposedly, our target sales for this month is 80 up until 100. But you only got 40% up until this target sales for this month. How come na 40% lang lahat ng sales nyo for this month after all my suggestions and recommendations? Did you even give your best sa target sales natin for this month? Bakit sobrang baba ng target sales natin? Tingin nyo sinong pagkagalitan dito ng boss? Kayo? Hindi ba't ako? Dahil lahat kayo ay under sa akin. I work so hard for this position and power para lang ganyan yung ibigay nyo sa aking sales. So now, I decided that all of you will conduct a proper training.
So we need to invest a lot of time here. Di ba po ba, ma'am?
Yes, exactly.
But I think we're knowledgeable enough to solve the current problem of the company.
Knowledgeable enough. Hindi nyo nga na-perform na maayos ang trabaho niya eh. 40% lang yung nakuha nyo. So all of you will conduct a proper training, lahat kayo.
Ma'am, I think our employees are knowledgeable enough naman po talaga. And I do believe in their capabilities. Ang need po talaga ng company natin ngayon ay isang effective strategies to improve our sales. And I suggest now we should not just focus on proper training but also focus on our market strategy and customer feedback.
No, kung ano lang sinabi ko, yun ang susundin nyo. And I already talked to Mr. Guevara, Kevin Guevara. Siya ang magkakonduct ng proper training lahat sa inyo. So, ang gagawin nyo na lang, lahat ng sinabi niya ay susundin nyo. Yun lang, tapos na. So, our meeting is dismissed. You may now go.
Grabe, no? Ang daming workloads tapos may training pa tayo.
Hey guys, kamusta training yun?
Ayun po, ma'am. Yung training namin parang di effective.
Ganun pa rin po, ma'am. Ganun pa rin po yung sales ng company. Sana yung suggestion nyo na lang po yun.
Huwag kayong panghinaan ng loob. Kaya natin to, guys. Basta huwag tayo pa-distract, ha? Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So yung sinabi ko kay Denise kanina, that we are finally.
I'm sorry, I'm late.
So gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, yun yung final project natin for this sem.
I have suggestion for our group activity.
I don't need your suggestion dyan. Late ka na nga, magsasuggest ka pa. And mas better naman yung idea mo kaysa sa'yo.
Anong klaseng leadership yan? Buti pa yung ibang leaders, pinapakinggan ng kanilang members.
So, yun yung suggestion ko.
Sige, gusto ko yung suggestion mo. So, ilalagay ko yung sa activity natin.
Ma'am, ito na ba yung sales report ko?
Mababa pa din ang sales natin for this year. Marga decided, maybe we should really follow your suggestion. Baka mas effective talaga yung suggestion.
Sige pa, ma'am.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes, RJ.
I need to talk about something.
Go take your seat here.
Here's our sales for the past few months. As you can see, sir, sobrang baba po ng sales natin for the past few months. And I realized something, sir, about my leadership. And I think my leadership is not effective as other leader. And as I realized po, I decided to step down from my position. And maybe this is time for me to reflect on myself and sa lahat po ng mga past mistakes ko. Lalo na po, syempre, madami din pong employees na naapektuhan dahil po sa leadership ko. Kumbaga po, maybe one of the reason din po kung bakit mababa yung sales natin for the past few months is hindi po talaga effective yung pagiging leader ko sa kanila.
I appreciate all the things that you did in our company, especially your efforts, RC, and your honesty. Thank you so much, and I look forward for your improvement. And sa tingin mo naman, sinong pwedeng maging next na leader sa'yo in our company?
I know someone, sir, and it's Marga. Since college, I've known Marga na po. And I've seen her leadership, and her leadership is very effective po. Kahit sa mga simpleng activities na, mabibigat na activities, kahit nung sa school pa, she's really very effective and mababait po siya sa mga members niya. And napansin ko din po siya nung, kahit ngayon sa work na po, she's very open and kind sa lahat po ng members natin or employee natin, and lahat po sila alam po nakikinig ka. So, si Marga po ang marirecommend ko for new leader po. So, I would like to congratulate each and every one of you, especially to Marga, because tumaas ulit ang sales natin ngayon. This is our biggest sale na nakuha natin ngayong month. So, congratulations everyone!
Good day, everyone. I would like to congratulate you for doing your best and putting your efforts. So, because of that, I decided to give a certificate of recognition sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, sir.
So, before this meeting ends, guys, I would like to announce something with all of you. So, yesterday, I talked to our CEO that I am stepping down to my position as I realized all my mistakes and my not effective leadership to all of them. And we talked that Marga will be our new leadership today. And this work, all of you, madami kayong lesson na naibigay sa akin. And then, na-realize ko lang na baka magpapahinga muna ako to reflect to myself and sa lahat ng mga nangyari. So, today's Marga will be our next leader. Since I know you for a very long time, kaklase kita since high school, and lahat yun, nakita ko yung pagiging effective na leader mo, hindi lang sa school, kahit din dito, nakikita ko na lahat sila ay nakikinig sa'yo.